Hello everyone, just wanted to give you a quick voiceover with some instructions on how to access our CECO Preschool Foundations and Frameworks modules for the rest of the semester. You have the very first module that will be the social emotional development, and so in order to access that, you're actually going to click on the Preschool Foundations and Frameworks, and you can see that in my dashboard it's located on this left side. For you, since you haven't started it, it's most likely going to be over on the right side where it says modules available. Once you click it and start, it's going to remain over in this modules in process until you complete it, at which point it will move over to the completed modules. So all you'll need to do is click on those preschool foundations and frameworks, and you will see our module for the week, social emotional development. You'll click down here at this hyperlink that says start social emotional development module, and you will complete it just as you did the very first overview module from a few weeks ago. All right, good luck and enjoy.